Yes, hello everybody. Welcome to today's class. Clancy, I am here to guide you through our web development course. Okay. So today is day two of our web development course. Okay. So today we're going to look at something. It's going to be called internal linking. Okay. We are going to look at internal linking. Okay. So this is what we're going to look at today. Yesterday, before I can go to today, yesterday we looked at, yesterday we looked at, yesterday was day one, and it was our very first day of the course. Okay. Yesterday we looked at all the introduction. So yesterday we looked at the introduction to coding. To web development. Okay. So to web development yesterday. Okay. So members, if you really missed out yesterday's video, you can check there the playlist and then you go back and watch it because it's going to bring us directly to today. I know some people will be asking questions about they'll be seeing some things which are a little bit new from what the things we covered yesterday, and someone is a little bit confused. You can go back and check our first video. It's called Day 1, Introduction to Web Development. Okay. So, members, this is what we're going to cover today's class. Okay. So, members, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Then you don't miss any of the upcoming videos. Okay. So members, today I'm going to cover internal linking. Okay. So why do I call this one internal linking? Internal linking, these are links. This I can say here internal links. Internal links. Yeah. Basically I'm going to look at internal links. Okay. What are these internal links here? Yeah. These are links here. These are links within our project. These are links within our project, or our workspace or our website. Okay. These are what we term as internal links. These are what we call as internal links. Okay. So for example, what are the types of internal links here? We have, for example, the home. Okay. We have, for example, the about. Then we have here, for example, contact us or our services. Okay. Then we have here, for example, contact us or find us. Then we have here, for example, contact us. Okay. So these are the major types of internal links. Members, are you seeing this? There are others, but these ones are the major type of internal links. And these links here, you can see, they are inside our project. Okay, they're inside our website. Okay. So I'm going to explain this to you, and you see. When we are using, for example, links, as you see here, this word here called links. This one here, which is called links here. Use a specific type of tag, and that one we use a tag called the anchor tag. It's called the A tag. The A tag, the anchor tag. Okay, this one here, the A tag. We use that type of tag when we are doing links. Okay. So members, you note this down. Okay. So we use this type of tag when we are using links. Okay. I can even put it here. Okay. It is the anchor tag. Okay. The tag where there is A. Okay. It looks like this. You will see this one where there is A. I'm not showing to you how it looks like. Okay. So these internal links here, they are basically going to be like this. They are basically going to be like this. There are various pages within our website or our project that we normally put inside our project. Those links, those pages, we are going to make them like this. You will see here, home will become index.html. For it will always and always remain index.html. Okay? Okay, members, okay? Okay. It will always remain index.html. Then this one here, it's going to become about.html. Okay? Okay. These are links which are inside our project. Then here I can say maybe services. Can come here and say services.html. Services.html. Okay? Okay, it's there. Okay? Okay. Then here find us. You can see here. I come here, I say find us, or find us .html. Okay? Okay. Like this, members. You see? You see? It's there. Then I come here, I say contact-us.html. Contact-us.html. Okay? Okay. So members, this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. Okay? This one will not become home.html. It will always be index.html. Okay? Okay. So now linking to these various pages, we normally use the A tag. This anchor tag. It is the anchor tag. Okay? Okay. So, members, I'm going to show you how it looks like. So I'm going to come here and I create a new file here. I can come here, I create a new folder. I call this folder day2. Okay? Day2. Okay? Day2. It is here. And I come here and say open with code. Open with code. Okay, it's there. It is there. It is there. Okay? Okay. So I'm going to come here like this. I create here my new file here. I say index.html. Okay? It's there. Okay? It is there. And I do the other thing where there's emmet. You see this thing where you remember that thing? I press shift and 1, the 1 button, okay? I want to wait for the skeleton framework to show, the skeleton framework of the HTML to show up, okay? Okay. So, now it's taking long, it's there, okay? It is here. Okay, it's there. So I'm going to come here and say, here, heading 1. Use the small letters because those ones are a little bit easy to understand. I say here, home page. Okay? I put here, for example, P. I say, this is my home page. Okay? Okay. So I can come here and say go live. I see how it looks like. Okay, it looks like this. Wow. Wow, members. It looks like that. Okay? It looks like that. Home. Okay? Okay. So members, this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. Home page. Okay? Okay. So I can come here and I say maybe my links. I come here and I want to put all my links there, and I say maybe I'll put them as unordered lists. Okay, I come here and say heading 2. I put here links. I say, for example, I want to put them as unordered lists. unordered lists, and I come here, I say lists. Now this one's a little bit complicated. Let me not take that path. It's going to confuse someone. It's going to really confuse someone. And I come here, I say AB ank tag. Now the ank tag looks like this, okay? It looks like this. It has this href here, as you can see, okay? The ank tag I've not yet explained very well. Someone would even be wondering how it looks like. Let me explain it here. The ank tag looks like this. A. Okay? Then it has something like this href. Href. Okay? It has something like this. Okay? Okay? It looks like this. Then it has something like this slash. It has, let me see here. Okay, yeah. It has something like this. Then we have, for example, something like this slash a, the closing tag of the anchor tag. You see, this is how it looks like. Remember, as you see this, this is how it looks like. Okay, it looks like this. Okay. So here is where you put. This is where you put what you want to be seen in the browser. Here's what you put the text that you want to be seen in the browser. Here, text you want to see in the browser. Text to be seen. Okay, text to be seen in the browser. Okay, that's where it is. Then here is what you put, where you put the link. This is very sensitive, members. Yeah, it is very sensitive here. Yeah, that area there you see is very sensitive. You see that area where there are those two dots there. Yeah, it's that area where there are two dots. Yeah, it is very sensitive. Okay, that's why you put our link, and it must appear as the way you put it. So you put our link. Okay, where we are linking to. Are you seeing it? Where we are linking to? In between those quotes. Okay. Then here is what you want, the text you want to be seen in the browser. Okay. So I can come here and say maybe this is home, and I want home to just be there. See. And I come here, I say index. I put dot slash. You see, I start with the a dot slash. Okay. Dot slash, always dot slash. Okay. And put index.html. Okay. So it appears like this. You see home. You see it? Home. Okay. So I can come here and maybe I create another page. How do you create another page? I come here on file. I create, for example, about.html. Okay. It is there. And I now do the image very well. It's there. Everything is good. I come here, I say heading 1. I say about page. About page. Okay. And I come here, I say maybe p tag. I say this is my about page. Okay. So how do I go now to the about page and I say it looks like this about page you're seeing here? I'm going to come here in my home, on my home here. I say ank tag. I put dot slash. They bring for me about.html. Then I say here about. Okay. So it is here about. So when I click on the about, it brings me to the about page. Are you seeing now it is on the about page? Remember, I think right now it's on the about page. Okay. So I want to do the same thing here on the about page. I don't have any links here. I also put it there. Heading 2, I put here links. I put here the anchor tag very well. I said dot slash index, taking me back to the home page. Home. Then I come here, I say the anchor tag is here. Then I come and say dot slash about.html. Then I come here, I say about. Okay. Wow. Remember, this is really great. This is really great. Okay? Okay? When I come here and tap on home, it takes me to the home page. Are you seeing the home page is here? When I come and tap here on the about, it takes me to the about page. Okay? Okay, this is what I was talking about here, about.html. Now I want to put, for example, services.html and we see how it looks like. Okay? Okay, so I'm going to come here, I say services.html. Okay? See here. So I come here, I put now the image very well. I put here, I come here, I say heading 1, I say services page. Okay, I come here very well, I say there is a p tag, I come here, I say this is my services page. Okay, okay, so I come here very well and say that what can I say here? I say here links. No, I say here heading 2. I say here links. Okay, then I come here, I say anchor tag. I put here dot slash index.html. This is home. I come here very well, I say anchor tag. Now they are going on increasing. I say dot slash about.html. I put here about. I come back here, I say anchor tag, and I put here, for example, dot slash services.html. I come, I put here services. Okay, okay. Then it's good. I come here very well. This does not have the link for services. I come here, I put it here. I say dot slash services.html. I put here also the one for services. Services is here. Okay. I also come here in the about page. I also don't have services link. I put it here. Dot slash services.html. I put here services. Okay. Okay. So as you can see here, it's like this. Okay. So when I click on services, it takes me to the services page. Wow, guys, this is really nice. Really nice. You can even try this and you see. So I come here, I tap on the about page. Come on services page. About page. Come on home page. This is really nice. This is really nice. All our concepts we shall learn in the future, they are based around something like this. So please mark it. Okay? Okay. So here I come here, find us and contact us. They are the ones remaining. Okay? I come here, I create those pages. I come here, I say find us.html. Okay? Okay. So I come here, I create the image very well. I say here, I say it's here very well. I say it is heading 1. Heading 1, there is find us page. Okay? Okay. So I come here very well, I say P, the P tag, I say this is the find us page. Okay? Okay, so I come here very well, I say heading 2 very well, and I say that this is heading 2. As you see it here, I say here links. Okay? I come here very well, I say anchor tag. I say dot slash index.html. This is home. I come here very well, I say dot slash find us about.html. I say here about. Okay, I come here very well, I say anchor tag, I say here dot slash find us.html, find us or contact-us.html, services.html. I say here services.html. I say services like that. Okay, and I come here, I say anchor tag, I say here dot slash find us.html. I come here, I say find us. As simple as this. So I come here, I add also that one for find us here. I add that one for find us. I say here dot slash find-us.html. I put it there, find us. I come here, I say anchor tag, I say dot slash find-us.html. I say here find us. Find us. Okay. I come here very well. I say also here anchor tag. I say here dot slash find us, and I come here in the middle here. I say find us. Okay. So members, this is really nice. This is really nice. Okay. Right now I'm left with only one link, and that is the contact us. Okay. So it is here. So I can even come here and tap on here. Find us page is there. Wow, this is nice. I come and tap on services. It's there. On the about, it's there. On the home, it's there. I can now navigate through all these pages the way I want. Okay. Okay. So the contact page, the contact us page, done missing. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to come here and say contact us. Contact us. .html. Okay. Okay. So I come here very well. I say I put something like this. Okay. I come here very well. I say h1. I say here. What can I put here inside here? I can put heading 1. I can say maybe contact us. Contact us. Okay. Come here. I say this is I say here this contact us page. Okay. And I come here. I say this is the contact us page. Okay. Okay. So I come here very well. I say the links are here. I say here heading 2. I say these are links. Okay. Okay. So I come here very well. I say here the links, as you can see them here. I come and say what can I say? I say anchor tag. Okay, it's there. I put here the anchor tag. Then I put here I say dot slash. I put here home. Then I come here very well. I say anchor tag. I say dot slash about.html. About. Then I come here very well. I say anchor tag. I say dot slash. What can I put there? I put here services.html. I put here services. Okay? Services. Okay, there it is. And I come here very well. I say anchor tag there. I say dot slash find-us.html. Come here very well. I say find us. Find us. Okay. 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 So I come here very well. I say anchor tag. I say here dot slash contact-us.html. I say here contact us. Contact us. Okay. Okay. So members, this is what it looks like. I can come here now on each and every last line here. I say anchor tag. I say here dot slash contact-us.html. Contact us. Contact us. I come here very well. The about. The about is where it is here. I say, for example, very well anchor tag. I say here dot slash contact-us.html. I put here. I say contact us. Okay. Okay. So, members, I come here. I say even here on the starting page, the index.html. I say dot slash contact-us.html. I say here contact us. Contact us. Okay. Okay. So I think I'm missing only in one page. I have everything is there. I hope everything is good here. Find us, I'm missing here. Okay. I say here anchor tag. I say here dot slash contact-us.html. I say here contact us. Okay. Contact us. Okay. Members, this is really nice. This is really great. This is really nice. This is really great. So find us page is there. So I can come on the contact us page. It's there. Wow, members, everything is nice. So members, we have looked at internal linking. Why did I say internal linking? Because internal linking, we are linking between pages which are inside our project. Remember that's what I said, internal linking, these are links that are within the pages which are inside our project or website. So these pages are inside our website: about.html, contact-us.html, find-us.html, index.html, services.html. These are the only pages that we link to. Are you seeing that? So I come here very well and say home, I go home. About, I go to the about page. You see it's here. Services page. Are you seeing this? It's there. I say find us.html, I go to the find us page. I come to contact us, contact page is here. I go to the about page, the home page. Members, this is really great. This is really great. So members, I don't want you to miss tomorrow's class. Tomorrow is day 3. Tomorrow is day 3. And tomorrow we're going to look at external linking. External linking. You want to look at external linking. So members, please don't miss. Okay? Okay. So tomorrow is day 3. I want to look at it in external linking. And day 4, on day 4, we shall look at introduction to CSS. Okay? So look at introduction to CSS. Okay? So members, don't miss tomorrow's class. Okay? Okay, don't miss tomorrow's class and the other day's class, day 4. Okay, mark these down, mark them down. Okay, the playlist there, you will see them there. Okay, okay. So members, this is what we had for today. I hope I'm going to see you in the next video. Okay, this has been really great. I will see you in the next video. Please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of the upcoming videos or courses. Okay, okay. Have a great day.